Networks connect devices. You could call these devices nodes. Nodes are just devices that are connected on the network. Networks may also include devices that help to control the flow of traffic on the network. These devices can either be a switch or a router. Networks also include endpoints and hosts. These are just devices that send and receive traffic on the network. Examples of these devices is a printer, laptop, workstation, or server. Networks come in different sizes, like a home network that has a few nodes connected on it. This type of a network is called a SOHO network, which means small office, home office. These devices can either be connected wirelessly or wired. In a SOHO network, a router is used to connect to the internet. In most cases, the switch, access point, and router is usually integrated in one device. This is why you see most of some home networks only have a router and no switch. It's because the switch is integrated in the router as shown in this picture here. This is a good time to mention that a hub and a switch are two different things. A hub is an old technology which used to work as a switch but is not smart as a switch. A switch is the new technology on how we connect devices together on the network, but we'll look at the differences in later videos. This type of a network is called a LAN. So LAN stands for local area network. So this is when devices are connected together in a local environment. And a good example is your home network. You have your switch, which connects all the different devices on the network. Notes in summary. So we've talked about nodes. Nodes, these are just devices that are connected on the network. For example, routers, printers, and switches. We've also talked about a SOHO network, of which we've said this just means a small office, home office. And also we've talked about a LAN, of which that's just a local area network, devices connected in the same area or in the same room. Here's just a quick exercise that you can easily try to test on yourself. And if you still have questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll surely help you with that.